Well, good morning, everybody. This is Thursday, November the 14th. 2 weeks from today is Thanksgiving, so we are now on the countdown to Thanksgiving. And at this time, I don't know if Stephen will be out before Thanksgiving. I don't know. Check out these decals. Aren't they beautiful? So it's about 8:30 in the morning. It is a rainy, cold morning. And of course I can't follow Stephen around 24/7 with my camera. He likes to think that I can, but I can't. I can't follow my hubby around 24/7. I've been folding and putting away laundry. So by folding and putting away laundry, I've missed some important things by folding.
Oh my goodness, you really missed important things.
Well, I mean, it's like the household chores.
It's like a household chores getting away at my video making.
Well, they do.
So I'm not gonna do household
Well,
chores.
no, I did fold and put away laundry, but then you were out here working.
Household chores for me.
So, tell me what I have missed. It looks like you have taken your refrigerator, not refrigerator, but...
Well, I gotta build the frame for it. That's what I'm working on. Yesterday I drilled the hose for the bracket. So, I gotta, the bracket is, don't bump all my stuff, Miss Bumbles. You're fixing it, you got more stuff behind you there too. Stand right in the middle where you ain't gonna get in anything. Miss Bumbles will cost me thousands of dollars bumbling around. So anyway, yeah, I gotta build the frame. That's what all this metal is for. The frame is the important part. The box is not all that. The frame is where your strength is at. So that's why I chose to use the box that I use. Because really the strength isn't in the box is in the frame. So I have to build a strong frame now that I got a box. Then I will build that door when it's all set up here. So, and then I will grind down all the Frankenstein stuff and put some sealer on it and paint it. So, but that's the last part. But I got some new quarter fenders. Ken had tore the old ones up, so that's okay. One of them made a good door.
So this, for people who haven't seen the video, this is actually a quarter fender right here. For people who haven't seen the video.
It was a quarter fender.
Yeah.
What it was isn't anymore.
Yesterday was really, really, really rainy. I mean, it was like Noah's Ark rainy yesterday. It was quite the downpour, so Stephen wasn't able to get a lot of stuff done yesterday. It's shiny. Look how shiny that is.
Well, it's brand new.
How long will
Comes in a plastic wrap, see?
How long will it stay shiny?
About 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Yeah, once it starts down the road. These are just cheapies, just to get me by until I get around to doing what I really want to do.
So you're hinting that later on good stuff will come.
Yeah, they really didn't go in as far as I wanted them to. But that's as far as they go. guess it doesn't matter. Put that way. Yep, that's a way. Get one of these. One of those. One of these. Put this up there.
So as I was folding and putting away clothes and laundry, I came across a video on YouTube that I was watching that was really quite alarming.
Alarming?
It was very alarming.
Was it like my rooster alarm?
So I came across a channel that I have very mixed feelings about. It's not somebody that I am supporting, but he does. I will have to say, I will have to give it to him that he's got some very controversial content that makes you think. So as I was peacefully folding the clothes and towels, I watched this video about how the name of the channel is I think it's Trump Antichrist, Trump 45 Antichrist, something like that. And anyway, he was making a video about how everything lined up where, according to what he understands of the Bible, that Trump is the Antichrist.
Whatever. What a dumbass. The Antichrist is coming from over across seas, first of all. He will be from the tribe over there. I can't remember the name of the tribe. So, you know, do your diligent background check before you start running your mouth. That's why I don't talk about a lot of things. Because if I don't know about it, then I don't have any place to talk about it. So, first, and there's no way he could be the Antichrist because he didn't come from over there. Not Israel, but one of those Indian nations over there.
Middle Eastern countries. Yeah. Anyway, he had a whole barrage of information about how this matched up to the Bible and this matched up to the Bible.
People will come up with anything for views. It's just like the FEMA going up to Michigan. I mean, you got people making videos on that, and they don't know nothing. No diddly squat. But they're making videos on it because that's what's hot, right? People are interested in it because what in the world are they doing sending 600 FEMA trucks up to Michigan? So, but people want to make videos about it, and they don't know diddly squat. Just whatever they think they can get the views on. Oh, that was in my eyeball.
So I guess you'd much prefer to work on this than the track loader we had.
Well, I don't know about all that, but I do know that I've been working on these for quite a few years, haven't I?
Yeah. Just seeing that brush reminded me of how you were working on the teeth, the carbide teeth.
Got a piece of rust on my eye.
Oh. Because I remember that scrubby metal brush from when you were working on the carbide teeth on the track loader.
Alright, got a piece of rust in my eye.
Well, that's not cool.
No, it's not cool. Last time that happened, I had got an infection in my eye.
Well, you got several pairs of safety glasses, don't you? Laying around here?
Well, I was anticipating that. Got a long way to go, Joe. It's kind of weird that this is right over the top of the hanger, and it's not that way on the other side. Well, I guess it is. Missed.